Pilau Njeri or vegetable rice is a classic here in Kenya. It's made with fresh vegetables and it's very flavorful. Growing up, my mom used to make for me this rice every single week and I used to love every single bite. So that's what we are making today. To get started, you're going to place a pot over medium flame, and I'm using a heavy bottomed pot. Add in some cooking oil. I'm going to be adding in around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And because I've already prepped up my fresh vegetables, it's going to be very fast to prepare Pilau Njeri. To my pot, I'm going to be adding in 1 diced onion together with some garlic and ginger. The garlic and ginger is going to add in some amazing flavor to this rice, so don't skip. Stir in everything into the cooking oil. Cook until the onions are soft and the garlic and ginger is fragrant. As my onions are cooking, I'm going to be adding in some cardamom pods and black pepper pods. Stir in. Once my onions are ready, I'm going to add in 2 diced tomatoes, a little bit of tomato paste, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and paprika. Once the tomatoes are cooked, I'm going to be adding in some seasoning. So I'll add in some salt and 2 seasoning cubes. Toss the seasoning in the tomatoes. Add in some carrots and potatoes. Stir in. Once the potatoes and carrots are fully coated with the tomato sauce, I'm going to reduce the flames to medium-low. Cover and let the potatoes simmer for around 2 minutes. I've added both the seasoning cubes and salt because I'm going to be using 1.5 cups of rice, and to fully season the rice I need 2 seasoning cubes and some salt. Also, I'll be checking if the seasoning is perfect. If it's not perfect, I'm going to be adding in some more salt. If you don't have the seasoning cubes, you're going to add in salt enough to fully season your rice. When it comes to rice, I love using basmati rice because it always gives me a very nice outcome. I have 1.5 cups over here, as I've said, and I'm going to be washing the rice for around 2 times until the water turns clear. This is how the potatoes look after 2 minutes. You will notice that your potatoes or your pot is drying out. You can add in a splash of water so that the potatoes can cook for around 2 minutes. This is how mine are looking like, and also it depends on the size of the potatoes. As you can see, my potatoes are big, so I'm going to add in my rice. Stir in. Toss the rice in the pot for around a minute. After 1 minute, I'm going to be adding in 3 cups of water. Stir in the rice. Once done, I'm going to let the water come to a boil, and then I'm going to check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, I'm going to be adding in more salt to fully season my Pilau Njeri or vegetable rice. When the water has fully reduced, I'm going to add in some capsicum. cover my pot and simmer on low for around 5 minutes until the rice is fully cooked. After 5 minutes, I'm going to use a fork and fluff up my rice, and just look how delicious the rice is looking. Oh yeah. Adding the vegetables in the rice is a must to make the vegetable rice delicious. Mine is looking so good and delicious. The potatoes are soft and the rice is seasoned to perfection. You can serve the vegetable rice over some protein or even some vegetable curry, and it's going to be very delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this amazing rice recipe.